Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to format background, we will give it some different color. I think so it's okay. Go to shape, pick this shape and hold shift alt and drag it. I think we should decrease little bit, and now it's little bit decrease. It's okay. Holding shift and rotate. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Control D to duplicate it and give it some different color. Okay, for later use we will Control D to duplicate, fragment, select shift and delete. Okay, take a rounded rectangle and drag it here. I think we should increase a little bit and decrease its curve. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Control D to duplicate and place it here. Select both and go to fragment, delete, select shape by holding shift and delete. Select shape fill, white fill. Go to shape fill, pick this eyedropper and pick this color. You will give it some shadow effect. I think that's okay. Transparency will be 80, 106 and blur maybe 15. It will be okay. Decrease its size and can shift rectangle and draw a rectangle. Shape outline, make it no outline, decrease its transparency that we show the below design. Okay, select both fragment. Okay, select this one and delete and drag both and place it here. Select from the right side and bring to front. Then okay, select this one and bring to front. It's okay. We will give it the same color as we give it at the first. Select this one and we will make it little bit darker. Okay, it's okay. I have some written text that I will bring to this slide to save the time. Control C and Control V. This is the headings text. We will make it its place and align it at the center of the white shape. You will give it also a shadow effect. Transparency will be maybe 70 will be okay, or 1 or 2, and blur will be 6. It's okay. Place it here and now Control D to, I think so, we will make it at the center of the slide. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it. Now we will change their colors by picking the eyedropper and take this color. This select this one also and give it this color. We will make this part will be more darker. I think so it's okay. Select all three shapes and go to fill, eyedropper and pick this color. Select this part and we will make it more darker. This will be okay. Select all three shapes, go to shape format, shape fill, pick eyedropper and pick this one color. Oh sorry, eyedropper and pick this color, select this spot and make it more darker. It's okay for now. And we will bring some, I think so, we will give it some text. Oswald will be okay, I think so. Yes, no, I think so. We will make it white, and the font will make little bit bigger. Control D to duplicate it, place it here and write 2. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Okay, it's okay. 3. Friends, I am using some keys during the design. You can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. We will bring some icons. We need 4 icons that I'm going to select after it visible. Yes, select this one, and I think so this one, insert. Bring these icons to the slide, and by holding Shift Alt and drag to decrease the size of the icons of, I think so we will make more smaller, and go to graphic fill, white fill, and select all and go to graphic fill, white fill, and now we will place one by one. You can bring your desired icons according to your texts. You can find these icons and also every icon you can find. We will make the text, I think so we will make to the text a shadow effect. Give it a shadow effect, I think so it's okay. Transparency will be 70, 102, 70, and make it white blur, I think so it's okay. And you can write some text at the end of the slide. Delete all these colors, and thank you for watching.